In this video, I'll show you the best ways to automate repetitive tasks with Dropbox. So are you ready for the top 5 amazing Dropbox automation ideas? So the very first automation idea I have in the list is sync Dropbox files with OneDrive automatically. So the Dropbox and OneDrive are very popular cloud storage application, and a lot of people are using both the application for their cloud storage, for their file storage. And whenever they want to store a file into the Dropbox, they will also have to upload the very same file into the OneDrive as well in order to create the backup at both the places. But this is really repetitive and very tiresome. So what if I tell you that one can entirely automate this process? How? Every time they're going to upload a file into the Dropbox, the same file will be automatically synced with the OneDrive as well. Yes, it is possible. We just need to connect these applications with the help of an automation software. And after that, every time you're going to upload the file into the Dropbox, the same file will be uploaded automatically into the OneDrive as well. Okay. So if you also want to set this automation for yourself, my team has done a really nice video on the same topic, and I have already attached the link of the same into my description box. You can check that video and set this automation for yourself. Moving further, we have another automation idea in the list is upload videos in YouTube from Dropbox automatically. So this automation is really interesting for all the YouTubers here, because as soon as they are going to upload their video file into the Dropbox for creating a backup, the same file will be automatically uploaded on channel as well. Yes, it is possible. If you are creating the backup into the Dropbox, now you do not have to manually upload the very same file into the YouTube. Every time you are going to upload the file here, the same file will be uploaded on your channel as well. Again, my team has recorded a very nice video on the very same automation. If you'll check my description box, you will find the link of the same automation, after watching which you can also set this automation. Alright, moving further, let's see what is the next automation we have. Alright, save new Telegram files to Dropbox automatically. So now you'll ask me that where exactly this automation is useful. So let me explain you with the help of an example. Assume that you are a teacher and you have created a community over Telegram with all your students, and you have also assigned an assignment to each of your students. Now, once their assignment is completed, they are surely going to share their assignment over the Telegram group only. Now, in order to save the assignment of each student, what exactly you are going to do is you are going to manually save those 30 assignments, and then you are going to manually upload all the assignments into the Dropbox in order to create a backup of the assignments. But what if I tell you that you can entirely automate this process as well? Yes, it is possible. When someone is going to upload a file into the Telegram, the same file will be synced automatically with your Dropbox as well. Yes, it is possible, and again it is possible with the help of an automation software. Want to set this automation for yourself? Visit my description box, check this amazing video and set this automation for yourself. Now let's jump to the next automation idea, which is share images from Dropbox to Facebook automatically. So this automation is useful for all the social media marketers here, and especially for the people who always have to share something on their Facebook profile, and at the same time they also have to create a backup for all those posts, for all those images. Because here I am going to show you that as soon as an image is uploaded into the Dropbox, how the same image can be shared on the Facebook page as well. Yes, it is possible. You can create a backup of your image into the Dropbox, and at the same time the same image can be shared on the Facebook as well. And again, this can be done with the help of an automation software. And again, my team has already recorded a very nice video on the same automation, whose link is available into my description box. Go to my description box, check this amazing video and set this automation for yourself. Moving further, we have the last automation idea is add Dropbox files to Notion automatically. Now you will ask me that what is this Notion all about? So basically, it is a note-taking web application which can be used as a spreadsheet, which can be used as a task management, that can be also used for the file storage. And here I'm going to show you that how every time you are going to upload a file, you're going to add a file into the Dropbox, how the same file can be added into the Notion application as well. And not just into the Notion application, you can also add your Dropbox files into the Google spreadsheet, into the Google Docs, and even into the Airtable application. Yes, it is possible. You can sync your Dropbox files with multiple applications by simply setting up an automation with the help of an automation software. Want to learn how you can create these kinds of amazing automation? I have already attached the link of all the amazing automation videos into my description box. You can check those specific videos, create this automation for yourself, and start automating your file storage activities, your backup activities. If you're looking for more business automation ideas, if you want to automate any other application other than Dropbox, that is also possible. Visit our channel Pabbly, where you will find amazing automation idea library. Thanks for watching this video.